In this example, we're asked to write the log of 8 to the base 4 as a natural log. Now, natural log, the thing about natural logs is that they use a base e. So it becomes log to the base e, if whatever the number is. But log to the base e, generally we write that in mathematics as ln. Okay? So instead of log, the word changes altogether and it becomes ln. But anytime you see ln, it's just a log to the base e. Okay, and the square represents some number, because log doesn't exist on its own. It's log of something, log of some number. So the square is just some number, it can be any number. In this case, it's going to be 8. So as we look at this, we've got the log of 8 to the base 4, and we're going to use a change of base to write that, a change of base formula to write that as natural logs. So it's going to be the natural log of the top number, so we can write it as log to the base e of 8 over log to the base e of 4, but generally what we're going to do, log to the base e, you never actually see that written down, it's always changed into ln. So ln of 8 over ln of 4. Okay, and again, there is an ln button on your calculator, so you can put this into the calculator to evaluate it, but we weren't asked to do that here, so we're going to leave it as ln of 8 over ln of 4. Now, one thing to be careful about, don't start trying to cancel things out. Don't try and cancel the 8 with the 4 and get log of 2 over log of 1. Can't do that, okay? You cannot cancel within logs, okay? You can't cancel like that within logs, so just leave this as the natural log of 8 over the natural log of 4. No cancelling, okay? Alright, so leave it like that.